You guys, I feel like I'm usually much more organized than this, but... Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new. My name's Emma. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is so exciting because we are packing for Disney World. The Disney series lives on. I'm going to Disney World on Friday. We're going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I've never been before, so I'm like so excited. I can't believe I'm experiencing a new thing at Disney World after going for literally 23 years. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the whole Disney series. If you would like to catch up on all of my Disney series videos, I will link in one of these corners. So let's get into it. I don't have anything packed right now, and honestly, this might be the least organized I've been packing so far. Of course, I have my little pictures of myself and the outfits I'm gonna wear. So I'm bringing my Villains Loungefly, of course. My sister got this for me and I haven't used it yet, but it's so cute. On the inside, it has like the apple, the shell, the little necklace that Dr. Facilier wears in Tiana. And I think I'm wearing this to the party. And then this is my other one, because I'm like, you know what? I never wear my Captain America bag, and I have a reason to. I don't know if it has anything fun on the inside. Sometimes I find ears in here. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Oh, it has the shield on it. So, gonna wear my Captain America bag on the other days. These are the ears I'm bringing. These are for Epcot. These are like the little Tomorrowland ears. These are Hollywood Studios because I have my bag. Of course, gotta match. These are probably gonna be my Magic Kingdom ears. And then if we go to Animal Kingdom, I'm gonna wear these ones. I love these ears. They're my Turning Red ears. They're just so cute. I feel like they match the vibes. Those are my ears. I'm putting them all into my Captain America backpack. That is the bag. That fits all of them. We have one more day. So I got a Disney! Woohoo! I did my nails last night. I was up till like 3 in the morning doing them. Everybody's shocked. They're just little Mickey pumpkins. And I put some like fun little sparkles on them. I really like them. I really like how they turned out. I was a little nervous when I was doing them, and I was like doing the pumpkin lines because I was like, I don't know if these look like pumpkins, you guys. I did my laundry last night, and I'm gonna show you all of my outfits. Okay, so here are all of my outfits. So this is my plain outfit. I'm gonna wear my Princess Diana t-shirt and then my Lululemon basketball shorts. These are literally my comfiest outfit, TBH. Then these are my Epcot ears. I'm wearing my Lululemon, it's the long line like sports bra, and then with it I'm wearing my black tennis skirt from Old Navy. This is my Hollywood Studios outfit. I'm wearing my Chicago little tank top from Alice in Wonder, and then I'm wearing these like boxer gingham shorts from Hollister, and then with it I'm wearing my cap ears. So that's Hollywood Studios. Then for Magic Kingdom Day, this is my Halloween costume. If you couldn't guess already, me and Alina are being the Parent Trap twins. So I made our shirts, her shirts right here. And I'm bringing these green ears just because it kind of matches, but I probably won't wear the ears that day. I made this logo myself. I'm actually really proud of it, TBH. Then for my last day, we'll see. I don't know if we're actually gonna go to Animal Kingdom, but we might. So these are my ears. They're the 50th anniversary ones. They light up. Yay! I love them. For my outfit, I'm just gonna wear my biker shorts. I'm bringing my Guardians t-shirt. I don't know if I'll actually wear it, if I'm being honest. I might wear the merch that I will inevitably purchase. That is all the outfits I'm bringing. I always overpack, so we'll see how this goes. Now let's get into like jewelry, makeup, toiletries that I'm bringing. Makeup stuff. Bringing my eyebrow brush thing, this brush, and this like comb for my eyelashes. I just used the Merit Beauty blush and Cheeky, and then I used the Merit Beauty highlighter in the color Bounce. So that's my makeup I'm bringing. Not anything crazy. For perfume, I'm bringing my Bath & Body Works body spray in Rose. That's my perfume. I'm not packing my jewelry till later, but these are like the rings I'm bringing. My crown ring I got from Shop Disney. My yin yang ring I got from like some girl on Instagram. I don't remember. My infinity ring from Pandora, my 2 like stacked rings from Pandora, and then this ring is from Francesca's. That's my rings. I'm bringing my necklace that has my name on it, and these 2 earrings, and then also bringing these 2 earrings, or this pair of earrings. I have my 2 packing cubes done, and I just need to pack toiletries right now. So I'll pack my plain bag as well. But I'll see you guys later when we finish packing. You guys, I feel like I'm usually much more organized than this, but I literally have to leave in like 5 minutes, and my bag is not closed, and my bed's not made. I have so much to do. Got my toiletries packed, toothbrush, jewelry's in here, makeup, cannot forget sunscreen, I will burn, and then I have my hair stuff. I woke up at 5 because I had an alarm, obviously, but I kept waking up. For some reason, I'm like a kid on Christmas whenever I go to Disney, and I can never sleep the night before, which, like, not a bad thing. I'm just excited, but sometimes it is a bad thing sometimes. Yay. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, watch the other Disney videos, and I will see you guys next week with day 1 of my Disney trip. Okay, bye. Mwah.